This video tutorial shows you how to use the MODBUS protocol with NORVI devices. Here we use the NORVI IIoT AE02V device as a MODBUS slave and the MODBUS master simulator as a MODBUS master. Here you can see the master device is requested for discrete input values and the slave is responded with those values. For the wiring, we need to connect the RS485 AB pins of the NORVI device with the RS485 to USB converter A and B terminals. The RS485 converter and the NORVI device must be connected to the computer. 24 DC voltage should be supplied to the NORVI device. We need to upload the slave program to the NORVI device. Let's look at the program. You can see here we set the slave ID as 5 and define the RS485, RX, TX and flow control pins. Since the master has requested 4 discrete coil values, we need to set the slave to get the 4 coil values. Let's upload the program. Select the correct board and the COM port and click upload. Let's set the master. First, click Setup, Read-Write Definition. In the pop-up window, we can set the slave ID as 5 and the function code as 2. The address starts with 1 and the quantity is 4. To connect the slave and the master, click Connection, Connect. You can see the values displayed in the table. Let's change the value and see. Here you can see that the coil values are changing. For more information, you can refer to our guideline documents.